Hello guys, welcome to the second part of this video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install SSL certificate to your WordPress dashboard. That now, when you get a domain and a hosting from some hosting providers, your SSL certificate might not be installed. Now, if you don't want to apply the cPanel way, which I showed you in the first video, I'm going to drop it. I'm going to drop it in. You're going to see it very soon. The card above. Now, if you don't know how to do that part, so what you just have to do, which works most at times, is you just don't remember, do not pay for any SSL certificate if you are using WordPress. I'm going to show you how you can do it over here. Very, very simple. So now I'm going to be creating a subdomain for this tutorial so you understand how it works. So I'm going to be creating a subdomain for it. All right. So the reason I'm creating a subdomain is so that you see that it doesn't have any HTTP. And once we go to our WordPress dashboard, I'm going to activate the SSL certificate that you'll be needing for this tutorial. So watch to the end of this video so you can understand the process and the procedure on how you can install SSL certificate from your WordPress dashboard. Thank you. So, all right. So quickly, I'm going to create new domain. So just like the way I did the previous time. So I'm just going to yes, I'm going to do this, then submit. So my uh, my subdomain is going to be available very soon. So yeah, all right. So now it's available. So what I just have to do now is go over to WordPress. So as you can see over here, WordPress Manager by as you can see right. So now what you're going to do now is you're going to click on install. So now here you just click on install. Now this part where you have to install, you can skip this video if you already know how to go about this. But now if you don't know how to go about it, please just stay and wait and watch to the end of this video. So now you're going to click on set hack. As you can see over here, if I put HTTPS, it's going to load and say no, what do you call it, no SSL certificate found. This over here where my mouse is pointing, a trusted SSL certificate is not found. So I'm just going to use this. I'm going to change it back. Then this is latest version as you can see over here. So for sake of time, I'm just going to leave it this way, admin then pass. Then yeah, don't worry, the next I'm going to be deleting this and domain once I'm done. So it's not going to be the same information is the same. So I'm going to click on install, and within let's just within just a couple of minutes it should be done installing. All right, so now this is my login information. So now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you, like you can see over here, HTTP over here, HTTP. So now I'm going to log into my dashboard. My dashboard is my website. You can see here not secure. You can see here not secure. Your connection to this site is not secure. So what I just have to do is, this is the plugin I'm going to recommend for you guys out there because it is free. Yes, it is very, very free, and you don't need any money. You don't need to pay anybody to help you install it. But you can charge your clients for that. It's just a bonus for you. Just you have the upper hand. Just make a couple of bucks from it. So the simple way to do this is, sorry, my network. All right, so I'm just going to go over to plugins now. You go over to plugins, the dashboard, you can see why you have plugins. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to search for a plugin called SSL. Yeah, that SSL is just typing SSL. So, so you're going to click on add new. So wait a little bit. If the network is very fast, it's going to go through. All right, so now you're going to search for the plugin as I mentioned earlier on, SSL. Yeah, as you can see over here, we have different SSL certificate you can make use of. Now, like I always tell my students and also everyone out there. So it's very simple. The simple way to know what works and what is working well is to look at the number of installation and also the reviews. As you can see over here has 5 million plus installation and 7,929 um 29 reviews, which is a 5-star rating. Now you can see over here this also works. But I would tell you that this is the right plugin to use. So you're going to install this plugin and you're going to activate the plugin. So while I'm waiting for the network to load, now there's one thing I need to tell you also is that you can also try out other plugins. If this doesn't work for you, which definitely is going to work for you, you can try out other plugins, which is WP encryption, one-click SSL, and stuff like that. You can make use of this. You can also make use of this one-click free SSL and also make use of SSL. Then I've tried this 1, 2, 3, 4. I've tried the 4 of them before, and they're actually very, very good. But I strongly recommend real simple SSL. Trust me, it's like the best thing you would use and you would need for to activate your your um your SSL, that's to activate your website. So now this is it. You click on activate SSL. You don't need to pay any money to anyone. Like I said, don't go pro, just activate SSL. Just activate SSL. So just give it some time to yeah. So you will directed to this place, meaning like it's going to log you out and log you back in. As you can see over here, SSL certificate is secure. Your website is secure. Now, if I'm going to refresh this, going to see that this is going to show secure. Yeah, it's going to show secure. So that is the simple way for you to. This is a very simple way for you to activate SSL certificate on your website. So I hope you were able to get the trick behind this. It's very simple, no magic or anything. Just use the right plugin for your WordPress and voila, we go to go. Now, if you have any question, please, as I always say, don't forget to drop in the comment section. If you have any issues you're facing in your WordPress and you need any help, feel free to reach out to me. My link is in the description below. Message me on WhatsApp. Um, you can also join my Telegram group where you have access to free WordPress theme and plugin. That's the pro versions and also the free ones. You just make demand for it and it's going to make it available to you. And also, and also, that is it about that. So don't forget to also subscribe to my videos and also don't forget to like my videos. anyways, that's it.